Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are watching me for the first time, thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the D60 HD projector which I bought from Kilimall. I originally wanted the D50s, but it was out of stock, so I got the next best thing, which was the D60. I bought the basic version and it took around 70 days to get here from the day I had ordered. It was my first time ever purchasing and handling a projector, and I didn't know what to expect, but everything in the box was simplified and easy to use and understand. Inside the box, there's another smaller box, and the box came with a bunch of stuff like the user's manual, which is in English, and it also had a thank you card from On, which I think is a cute and neat touch to it. It also came with an AV cable for connecting it to the TV and also a remote control. It also came with 2 pairs of blue and red glasses, which I'm still yet to know how they work with this projector, but they did feel like paper when touching it. There was also a screw holder which you can attach it at the bottom of the projector. I think it's to elevate the projector. And finally, a power cable, and mine has a UK plug, and I think they also offer the US plug if I'm not wrong. The only thing I wish it also came with was a HDMI cable, but it's still okay because I can purchase it later on, because for now I can still use a flash drive to watch the movies and series with it. Okay, back to the actual projector. I'm glad they used a bubble protective case, which is quite soft but still tough and sturdy, in order to protect the projector. And also the plastic paper was quite smooth and felt nice on the hand. As you can see, it's a HD projector and it felt quite nice and strong while holding it. And it's not that big or that small, especially since I have quite small hands. The focus ring helps to adjust the video for more clarity, and the keystone correction adjusts the angle of the screen to make sure that it's straight. Also, there are keys on the projector which you can use as an alternative for using its remote control. And at the back you have the speaker and AC port. On the left side of the projector, there are various ports for micro SD, audio, AV, which is TV, USB and USB-C, HD, I think, which is also HDMI, and VGA. And there's also a cooling fan on that left side. The projector lens has its own case or cover, which is very good because it will protect the lens from any damage, especially when not in use. The focusing ring was smooth to operate and it doesn't get stuck. But I was also very careful not to be heavy-handed while handling it. And you can easily put back the lens cover once you're done using it. I almost forgot to show the bottom of the projector. It has 4 small stands to elevate the projector and also to make sure the fan it's airy enough at the bottom. And the resolution of this projector is 1280 by 720 pixels, which I think it's amazing. D60 is the basic version, while D60S is the Android version. It also has a place where you can mount it on a tripod or a hanging bracket, or you can just place it on a regular table. At this point, I was really praying and hoping the purchase was worth it when I was switching it on for the first time, and to my surprise, it actually exceeded my expectations. The distance between the projector and the wall was around 2.8 meters and it projected a screen size of 100 inches. They say the best projection size is between 40 to 85 inches, but it could go up to 150 inches. Before I forget, for those who might be wondering how loud the fan noise is, you can hear it now. It's not too loud, and once the video is on, you can hardly hear the fan noise according to me. The wall that I was using to project it, it's not even white. The wall is like a coral or peachy shade, and the image was still clear. Here, I had put 2 files on my flash drive, but unfortunately one did not work or did not support the projector, but the other one did, and as you can see, the video was still visible while the lights were on. There were like 3 bulbs on at that time. And for the sake of not getting a copyright strike, I did use one of my videos just for demonstration purposes. The video that's playing, I was actually using my small iPhone SE to record, and that tells a lot about the video quality of this projector, because if you watch movies and series which obviously have a high quality camera, the quality of the videos to be projected will be much better than this one. Well, I can happily say that this purchase was very much worth it, especially for its price point and the high quality that it offers. And I can 100% recommend it to anyone to buy it, especially those with a relatively small budget. I hope you enjoyed this video so far, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. As for now, enjoy the rest of the video where I did a small speakers test on it so that you can know how it sounds like. Until next time, bye. That's another lead sheet from Mombasa. That's it. She just came directly to Watamu. And actually, done. Let me see. Basi nilikwambia ukuje mbele yangu na huko unasikiza.
What are you measuring? Bring how many inches?
The water is coming back.